Do you want to complete the SPF, DMARC, and DKIM setup for email security reasons? There are three essential DNS records that work together to verify your identity as a genuine sender. And without them, even the most important emails can end up in the wrong place. Setting them up might sound technical, but it's a lot simpler than it seems. In this guide, we'll walk you through the complete setup step-by-step process by adding all three records to your Google Workspace account. And if you need additional assistance, then make sure to call the numbers on the screen for real-time expert assistance. Let's get started. Method 1. Setting up SPF record. Log into your domain provider account and navigate to the DNS section to manage your domain records. Once you're in the DNS settings, look for the Add Record option and click it to add a new entry. In the Type drop-down menu, select TXT and enter @ in the name field to indicate that this record applies to your root domain. Move to the Content field and carefully paste SPF value exactly as shown on the screen. Ensure there are no extra spaces or missing characters. Once everything looks good, click on Save. Your SPF record will be added and become active shortly. Method 2. DKIM record setup. Head to your Google Workspace admin account and log into your admin credentials to get started. Once you're in the dashboard, click the Apps option to go to your application settings. From the list that appears, scroll down and click on Gmail to open up its dedicated settings panel. In Gmail settings, locate and click the Authenticate Email option to proceed with the DKIM setup. On the page that opens, take a moment to verify that your domain name is correctly selected under the Selected Domain section before moving on. Once confirmed, scroll to the bottom right corner of the page and click on Generate New Record to continue. A prompt will appear on the screen. Make sure 2048 is selected in the drop-down menu for stronger encryption and then click the Generate button to create your DKIM record. Next, find the DNS hostname section. Copy the text displayed there and head over to your domain provider to continue. Once you're at the domain provider, click on the Add Record option to start entering the DKIM details. Now, let's add the DMARC record and you're almost done. If things get a little confusing at any point, just reach out to our experts and they'll walk you through everything in real time. Method 3. Adding the DMARC record. Head back to your domain provider and click on the Add Record option again to add the DMARC entry. In the Type drop-down, select TXT and then type DMARC in the name field. In the Content field, place the DMARC value exactly as shown on the screen. Just make sure to replace youremail.com with the actual email address so reports are sent to the right place. Once everything is in order, click on Save and just like that, your DMARC record is successfully added and your entire setup process is complete.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help-emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.